Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Tuscany here, and today we're going to be making some homemade hand sanitizer. As you know, hand sanitizer is sold out everywhere, and it's probably going to be sold out for the next couple weeks. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own homemade sanitizer. Alright, so the first step is we have to get 1 cup of aloe vera gel. So let's do that. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, well first we'll put that in there. And next, now we're gonna add some 2/3 cup of rubbing alcohol, so let's do that. Okay, there we go. So you can actually use the whisk with the bowl instead, but today we're gonna let the mixer handle it, so now let's get mixing. Now we're gonna mix it up. Just let it mix for a little bit. Alright, so now after mixing, this is the results. It should be nice and bubbly, so now we're starting to pour into our kind of creative
gel
hand sanitizer bottle. So there it goes, we're pouring it in. It should start coming out. After all this, we filled it up all the way to the top, and we used a funnel because it gets it in there, so it's a good tool to use. But hope everyone stays safe, and make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and see you guys next time. Bye!